Seafarers often work in challenging and unique environments, traveling across different countries and cultures. This lifestyle may expose them to risks, including sexually transmitted diseases, STDs such as HIV/AIDS. Taking personal preventive preventive measures is crucial for your health and well-being. STDs like syphilis, gonorrhea, and HIV/AIDS are transmitted through unprotected sexually activity. These infections can lead to serious health complications if left untreated. The good news is that prevention is simple and effective. Condoms are one of the most effective ways to prevent STS, including HIV. They act as a barrier, stopping the transmission of infections during sexual activity. But proper use is key to ensuring their effectiveness. Here are the steps for proper condom use. Check the package. Ensure it's undamaged and not expire. Open carefully. Avoid tearing with sharp objects. Pinch the tip. Leave space at the tip for semen. Roll it down. Place it on the penis and unroll it all the way. Use during all contact. Keep it on throughout intercourse. Dispose properly. Tie the condom, wrap it in tissue and throw it in the trash. Always carry high quality condoms. Avoid multiple sexual partners and get regular health checkups. Educate yourself and others to stay safe and healthy. Remember, prevention is better than cure. By using condoms properly and practicing safe behaviors, you can save your health and enjoy your journey as a seafarer. Thank you.